The oceanfront pools in Wailea are amazing, and their pools are some of the best in the world. Let's dive into it and declare a winner. The pools of the Kea Lani are thoughtfully located amongst the gardens of the resort and are surrounded by tropical plantings. The pools of the Kea Lani are some of the very best in Maui, featuring an adults-only tranquility pool and a family-friendly lagoon pool with water slide. The Four Seasons Hotel has 3 pools: the fountain pool, the waterfall pool, and the world-famous Serenity Pool. Unfortunately, the Four Seasons staff would not allow me to film the Serenity Pool, but that's okay. You can see plenty of this amazing pool in the HBO series The White Lotus. The Grand Wailea is the host to some of the greatest pools in the Hawaiian Islands. Included in their list of bragging rights is the first water elevator and the first rotating barrel pipe ride. The highlight for most guests is the activity pool, which is a 770,000-gallon pool area consisting of 9 individual pools. Wailea Beach Resort has a total of 5 pools located around the property. All of the pools boast spectacular views of the Pacific. One pool in particular stands out, and that is the Nalu Adventure Pool, which has 4 water slides, one of which is the longest in Maui at 325 feet. The Andaz Maui has the most dramatic set of pools in Wailea. With 3 tiered infinity pools, all visible from the lobby, the visual is stunning. And all pools have an incredible view of the Pacific. In addition to the 3 infinity pools, the Andaz also has a family-friendly lagoon pool and an adult-only tranquility pool. Well, you can't go past the Grand Wailea for the award of the best set of pools in Wailea. The activity pool is 2,000 feet long and the 9 individual pools are connected by a river. The pools also feature jungle pools, slides, a rope swing, sand beach, and waterfalls. There is something for everyone, and this is why the Grand Wailea has the greatest set of pools in Wailea.